Now, here are some tips for creating your product. If you decide to go for software, okay, I'm assuming that you don't have any experience at all in creating software. Most marketers who sell software do not have any technical knowledge of creating the software. They outsource this work. And actually, a lot of marketers these days are just buying the rights to software products and then just hiring somebody to change the code or add extra features to the software. Now, there's a site that you can go to buy rights to software, and this site is codecanyon.net. I haven't been there in a while, but I believe there are hundreds, if not thousands, of software products on there that you could choose from and buy the rights to, and you'll be able to. Well, you may have to check with the original creator of the software products first to make sure what you can do with software products. Now, if you want to sell an ebook, you could write the ebook yourself, or you could just hire someone from, say, Fiverr.com or the many other freelancing sites out there to write your book. You could also go to internet marketing forums and look for ghostwriters on there. Graphics, I've done this in the past. I've gone to Fiverr.com and just hired somebody to create graphics for me, and I just turned around and resold those graphics on Wire Plus Network. And if you want to create video tutorials, such as the one I'm creating, there's not really a format that you have to follow. You could go ahead and do a PowerPoint presentation, or just do something like what I do. I just type down the notes on a Word document, and I just look at the notes and I just start talking and reference the notes. Now, as for the recording software that I use Camtasia, which I believe is currently around a couple $100 or more, but there are many other options out there, and there are even free recording software. Now, another thing you could sell is a report. So it's just like an ebook, but just a few pages. So this is actually a lot easier and a lot faster for you to do. However, there's going to be less content that you're selling, the quality should be much higher. And again, you could also just outsource this work. You could also create articles. You could hire someone to write articles for you and sell that as a bundle. You could also sell royalty-free images. There's a site called freeimages.com where you could find these, and you could just go ahead and resell these images. And last but not least, you could also create audio lessons. You don't have to worry about creating some type of presentation. You could just read off some notes you have on a piece of paper or on a Word doc and just use some type of audio recording software.